Alright, we're getting everything prepared for the chickens in the chicken coop. This is a temporary thing to make the big chicken coop. Right now they're babies, so this little thing isn't really gonna do too much. Keep away from the dog.
Yeah.
This is Sister Monique. She has the chickens.
They're too cute.
There they are. We got 10 of them.
They're so pretty.
Alright, I'm gonna give you all a tour of the barracks. That's what we're gonna call it.
This one is tiny, tiny, tiny.
This is Midnight, the guard dog. Keep with the coyotes. Alright, this is the living quarters for now. We're gonna get some stuff built up today. Give you a tour of the living quarters. I got.
Oh, exactly.
What if it rains out here, probably you wouldn't even need like cold water. Just
Step out into it.
We'll try to build a structure later so they have more solid, sustainable living quarters. But this is what they're doing so far. Got the tents underneath here, protect them from the rain. Another tent right there. And we got the background over here. Yeah. There we go. The area. And so Brother Wolf built up this fence right here. You know. So, yeah. We're getting stuff started. Yeah. Just getting ready for stuff.
Yeah.
We'll just have